Hello family, welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday and I decided to share with you guys the hairstyle I did for my birthday, as well as a few clips that just shows what went down on that day. So this hairstyle is really quick. I wanted something that I can just use for that day and probably wash off over the weekend and get, because I had another hairstyle in mind. But my family had like a whole birthday getaway weekend planned for me. They had initially on Friday surprised me and then on Saturday I went for a brunch with family and friends. So yeah, it was a very good birthday and I'm super grateful for everyone that was able to make it, for my family and friends. I love you guys, thank you. So this hairstyle is a very quick one. So I'm working with my natural hair stretched, and I'll be uploading a video of how I achieved that soon. So right now, if you guys saw earlier, I was showing the back of my hair. I'm still dealing with postpartum shedding and I don't know if it goes up to this long, but recently I noticed that the back of my hair was just literally shining, and I've just been adding oils to help it groom and grow. So right now it's a little better. So maybe later on I'll be sharing with you guys a mixture of oil that can help to grow your hair back. So I just went in with my shine and jam to put it all together, and I went in with the red one just because I wanted it to last longer. The red one lasts longer than the yellow one, the yellow container. So I'm going in with the red one, and the reason being is I initially thought this hair was just going to last me for the whole day, and I wanted it to last and still look good in all the pictures I'll be taking from morning till evening. But obviously my family has something else planned for me. But if you wanted this hair to last you longer, I'll normally go in with my Eco Styler gel first and probably section this hair into more, like maybe into 4, and add more Eco Styler gel. Then I'll seal it in with my got2b glue. When I use those two, my hair looks so sleek, like nothing is moving or going anywhere. But most time I tend to not use a lot of gel, just because once I'm done one hairstyle, I'm already planning to record next one. So I usually just keep it in for about a day or two. So that's the case for this tutorial. I initially wanted this hair to last me just a day or two, but my family had other plan, like I said. But I still took out this, I believe, on Saturday night, just because I had another video. I had another hairstyle I needed to make really quick. And I'm sorry I've not been here. I've just been so busy getting to know a better version of myself in Christ. Y'all, it pays to know God. And if you haven't spent time in building your relationship with God, now is the time. There's no other better time. God is counting on every one of us and waiting on every one of us. The Bible says that the harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. You are one of those laborers that God is counting us. He has chosen you and I. He has chosen me. He has chosen us. He said in John 15:16, you did not choose me. I chose you and appointed you to bear fruit, that your fruit may remain and last. That is the will and purpose of God for us. We are only here temporarily. Heaven is our home and we need to keep that in mind. I'm sorry I had to go up preaching on you guys, but I've just been getting closer to God and it's been amazing. So that's why I haven't been uploading. Not because I don't have videos. I have like 5 videos waiting to be uploaded, and some of them I'm actually done. I just need to add the music and the thumbnail and all, but you guys get it. You got it. So yeah, so that's what my birthday hair looks like. I didn't really do much, like I said. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you all so much for your support, for your love. I really appreciate it. I'm grateful. And if you're not part of the family yet, what are you waiting for? Why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and hit the notification button so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like what you've seen so far, please also go ahead and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye bye.